Good morning and happy Friday. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. I just wanted to go through some things very quickly for today. Your announcement that's going to come first thing this morning is Happy Friday. The screencast is attached below, as well as Wednesday's Zoom meeting for anyone that missed it. And I hope everyone has a wonderful weekend. That's going to be the first post here on our stream when you log in this morning. For your classwork for today, you're going to come into classwork. You have your ongoing calendar activity down here. For your calendar for Friday, you are going to look outside at today's weather and then drag a picture onto today's box that shows what kind of weather we are having. You then are going to continue working on your all week ongoing science natural resource project that's going to be due this Sunday, but you have no social studies work today, so you can take that time to finish this up. And if you need more instructions, Monday screencast goes into this activities instructions further. And then since you have no social studies, you're going to use this time to work on your science. You do have a math performance activity right in here, and I'm going to show you, you're going to show 2 ways to make 100 cents and 2 ways to make 30 cents. I know the plan says 70, but it was actually changed in this activity. So go by whatever the page says. If the paper pencil packet, if that's what you have, if it says 30, go ahead and do that. But if it says 70, keep it that way. This one's going to say 30 cents, and I'll show you in a minute. I'm going to go over instructions, but if you still need more detailed instructions, Miss Mosier made a 5 to 6 minute video right here going over this assignment with more depth. But when you open up the assignment, it looks like this. And I'm going to zoom in just a little bit to help us see better. All right, and for the first part, it says, use like coins to build 100 cents 2 different ways. So you can use like all nickels, all pennies, all dimes. And what you're going to do is you're going to draw it. You can draw it on here. Here's an example of how we want you to draw it. You can just come and you can go to insert and you can pull a shape of a circle out here, and then you could just put a little N in it for nickels, or D for dimes, or P for pennies. Or if you want to print this out, you can draw that way, but that's all you have to do. Like, you don't have to get very elaborate with your drawing. Just a circle with the first letter of a coin would be fine. So if you were doing dimes, you would draw however many dimes in here that it would take to equal 100 cents. Here you're going to draw another way to make 100 cents. So if you were using pennies, you would draw however many pennies. Or if you're using nickels, you would draw however many nickels it would take to equal 100 cents. Then you come down to the second page, and it wants you to tell the same thing you just did, but in your writing. The first way you made 100 cents is you would click here, or if you've printed this out, you could just handwrite, and you would say, I made 100 cents using blank dimes, and tell how many dimes that you used to make it. Then if you did pennies here, you would say, I made 100 cents using blank amount of pennies. And then you do the same thing down below. It has you do it for 30 cents. So you're going to draw 2 ways, a first way right here and a second way right here of how to make 30 cents. You don't have to get very elaborate with your drawings. It can be a very easy circle with a letter in the middle. And then here you're going to tell the 2 ways that you made 30 cents. If you have any questions, please let me know. But you don't have to make this too difficult or elaborate. It's something pretty simple, and it's going to be used to show us if you can count like coins to create different values. So please email me if you have any questions, and I hope everyone has a wonderful, wonderful weekend, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.